Agriculture has always been an industry rooted in tradition, yet it's also one of the most innovative fields. Over the years, technology has drastically changed the landscape of farming. However, some old farming machines and technologies have proven their worth by standing the test of time. These tools, many of which date back decades or even centuries, are still in use today. This video explores 10 such technologies that continue to serve farmers effectively. Before we go ahead, please like and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. The Moldboard Plow. The Moldboard Plow, invented in the early 19th century, marked a significant advancement in agricultural technology. This plow features a curved metal blade that turns over the soil, burying crop residues and weeds, while simultaneously aerating the soil, which improves its fertility and readiness for planting. The efficiency of the moldboard plow stems from its ability to create furrows with consistent depth and width, facilitating more uniform seed planting. Despite the advent of modern plowing technologies, the moldboard plow remains widely used in various regions due to its simplicity, durability, and effectiveness, particularly in heavy or clay-rich soils where modern equipment may struggle. Number 9. The seed drill. The seed drill's impact extends beyond just planting efficiency. It also laid the groundwork for more sophisticated agricultural machinery and techniques. By enabling precise seed placement, it facilitated better crop management and higher overall farm productivity. Farmers could now experiment with different seed varieties and planting densities, leading to innovations in crop science and agronomy. This pivotal tool not only revolutionized individual farming practices, but also significantly contributed to the broader agricultural advancements that have shaped modern farming. Number 8. The Reaper. The mechanical reaper, introduced by Cyrus McCormick in 1831, was a revolutionary invention that transformed the agricultural industry by significantly increasing the efficiency of the harvesting process. Before the reaper, harvesting was a labor-intensive task done by hand with scythes and sickles, limiting the amount of land a farmer could cultivate. The reaper mechanized the cutting of grain, allowing a single farmer to harvest vastly larger areas of crops in a fraction of the time. This not only boosted productivity, but also reduced the labor costs associated with harvesting. The reaper's success laid the groundwork for further innovations in agricultural machinery, such as the combine harvester, which integrates cutting, threshing, and cleaning into one process. Although modern equipment has largely replaced the original reaper, its fundamental technology remains in use in various forms, especially in areas where small-scale farming is still prevalent. Number 7. The Thresher. The threshing machine, developed in the late 18th century by Scottish engineer Andrew Meikle, was a pivotal innovation in agriculture. This machine automated the laborious process of separating grain from stalks and husks, which was previously done by hand with flails. The introduction of the thresher significantly reduced the time and labor required for threshing, allowing farmers to process larger quantities of grain more efficiently. By mechanizing this task, the thresher increased productivity and enabled the expansion of cereal farming. Although modern combines now integrate threshing with cutting and cleaning, traditional threshers are still in use in many parts of the world, particularly in developing regions and small-scale farms. These machines have proven their durability and effectiveness over centuries, highlighting their enduring value in agriculture. Number 6. The Hay Baler. The hay baler, introduced in the early 20th century, revolutionized the process of haymaking by automating the collection, compression, and binding of hay into manageable bales. Before its invention, farmers had to manually gather and stack hay, a labor-intensive and time-consuming task. The baler mechanized this process, significantly reducing labor and increasing efficiency. It gathers cut hay, compresses it into compact bales, and ties them for easy handling, transport, and storage. Modern balers have evolved with advanced features like automatic tying and variable bale sizes, yet many older models remain in use due to their reliability and effectiveness. The hay baler continues to be a crucial piece of equipment on farms worldwide, particularly where hay is a primary feed for livestock. Number 5. The Corn Sheller. The corn sheller, dating back to the 19th century, was a transformative invention in agriculture, designed to efficiently remove corn kernels from the cob. Before its advent, this task was performed manually, a tedious and labor-intensive process. The corn sheller mechanized the separation, drastically reducing the time and effort required to process corn. Simple hand-cranked and pedal-powered versions of the corn sheller became popular among small-scale farmers, offering a durable and effective solution for corn processing. Even today, these traditional corn shellers are widely used in rural and developing regions, where they continue to demonstrate their practicality and reliability. Their enduring presence underscores the impact of this humble yet essential agricultural tool in enhancing productivity and efficiency on farms. Number 4. The Grain Elevator. The grain elevator, invented in the 1840s by Joseph Dart and Robert Dunbar, revolutionized the storage and handling of grain by automating the process of moving grain to storage silos. Utilizing conveyor belts or bucket systems, grain elevators enabled the efficient transfer of grain from ground level to elevated storage facilities, significantly enhancing the efficiency of grain handling operations. This technology not only streamlined the storage process, but also facilitated the bulk handling of grain, reducing the labor required and minimizing grain loss. Modern grain elevators have evolved with advanced automation and increased storage capacities. Yet many older models are still in operation, particularly in small to mid-sized farming operations. These durable and effective structures continue to play a vital role in the agricultural supply chain, illustrating the lasting impact of this pivotal invention. Number 3. The Windmill. The windmill, a centuries-old technology, has been a cornerstone in agriculture, particularly for irrigation and grinding grain. Originating from the 9th century in Persia and spreading across Europe, windmills harness wind energy to pump water, grind grain, and perform other mechanical tasks essential to farming. In agriculture, windmills were critical for irrigating crops and providing water for livestock, especially in areas where water sources were not readily accessible. Although modern electric pumps have largely replaced traditional windmills, these iconic structures are still in use today in remote areas and for small-scale operations where electricity is either unavailable or too expensive. The simplicity, reliability, and sustainability of windmills make them enduringly valuable, symbolizing agricultural ingenuity and the efficient use of natural resources. Number 2. The Sickle and Scythe. The sickle and scythe, ancient tools dating back thousands of years, have played a fundamental role in agriculture, particularly in harvesting grain and cutting grass. The sickle, with its curved blade, is designed for cutting grain by hand, while the scythe, featuring a longer handle and broader blade, allows for more efficient cutting of larger areas of grass or crops. These tools revolutionized early farming by significantly increasing the speed and efficiency of harvests compared to primitive hand-picking methods. Despite the advent of mechanized harvesters, the sickle and scythe are still in use today, especially in small-scale farming, gardening, and regions where mechanized equipment is impractical or too costly. Their simplicity, low cost, and effectiveness in various agricultural tasks make them enduringly valuable, symbolizing the ingenuity and resourcefulness of early agricultural practices. Number 1. The Horse-Drawn Cart. The horse-drawn cart, an age-old agricultural tool, has been indispensable in farming communities for centuries. Before the widespread adoption of motorized vehicles, these carts were the primary means of transporting goods, produce, and equipment across farms. Made from durable materials and designed for various terrains, horse-drawn carts could carry significant loads, facilitating efficient farm management. Today, while tractors and trucks have largely taken over their role, horse-drawn carts remain in use, especially in Amish and other traditional farming communities where motorized transport is eschewed. Additionally, in regions where modern vehicles are cost-prohibitive or inaccessible, these carts continue to serve as a reliable and economical mode of transport. Their enduring presence underscores their practicality and the timeless ingenuity of traditional farming practices. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content on farming technologies, historical innovations, and much more. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.